You know that small, almost invisible detail on your phone that just gets to you? What if it is finally getting an upgrade that makes your digital life a whole lot smoother? We have all seen the rise of gesture navigation on our smartphones, but let us be honest, many of us still cling to those trusty 3 virtual buttons at the bottom of our screens: back, home, and recent apps. And for a good reason. Especially if you are a Samsung user, you probably love having that back button conveniently placed on the right. It feels natural, a part of your muscle memory. But if you have ever tried to switch to a Google Pixel or any other stock Android device, you know the jarring feeling. The back button suddenly sits on the left. It is a minor detail, but it breaks your flow, and frankly, it is annoying. You find yourself constantly tapping the wrong spot or pausing just to reorient yourself. It is the kind of subtle friction that accumulates throughout your day. Well, good news for all of us. Google finally acknowledged this little hiccup. They are preparing a fix that will make your life significantly easier when jumping between different Android phones. Developers digging through a recent Canary version of Android, which is essentially Google's early test build, discovered intriguing hints. Google is cooking up a flip switch for the navigation bar. Imagine this. You will soon have the power to swap the positions of your back and recent apps buttons. Your central home button stays exactly where it is, but those 2 crucial functions can finally align with your preference, not just the default. Think of it like adjusting the driver's seat in a new car. It is a small tweak, but it makes the whole experience feel right, personal. For years, Samsung gave users this choice, while Pixel users were stuck. Now, Google is bringing that flexibility to everyone. While it is not public yet, we expect this welcome change to roll out with a future Android update, possibly as early as the second quarterly release of Android 16. Google is still ironing out the finer points, like where exactly you will find this setting, and ensuring its proper translation for global markets. This is not about flashy new features. It is about respecting user preferences and smoothing out those little friction points in our daily tech lives. It proves that even in a world of advanced gestures, the classic button navigation still matters, and Google is finally giving it the thoughtful attention it deserves. It is a subtle change, perhaps, but one that speaks volumes about Google listening to its users. Sometimes, the biggest improvements come from fixing the smallest, most persistent frustrations. What other minor tech annoyances do you wish companies would address? Let us know. And if you found this insight helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this episode with a friend.